Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Bootstrap Alert component and create a small example using it. We will create an order successful notice. We will create an order success notification. So let's start. Here in the Bootstrap documentation, we can find the alert component. Bootstrap Alert are used to show important message to user. For example, we can show a success message, warning, error or information message. Bootstrap already gives us different style for these alerts so we can easily use them in our project. See, this is basic Bootstrap alert. The alert class create the alert and alert primary, give it the primary color. Now let's use this basic alert in VS Code and customize it into our own example. Now let's go to VS Code and start building our example. First, I will add container. Container keeps our content aligned and py5 adds some space from the top and bottom. Now I will create our alert because this is an order success message. I will use alert success. Now let's make our alert look better. Here adding shadow. Shadow SM adds a small shadow. Rounded 4 gives rounded corner. Text center centers the content. P4 adds padding. I am also giving it a small maximum width so it doesn't take the full screen. Style, maximum width, 400 pixel. Let's add simple success icon. FS1 makes it bigger and MB2 adds some space below it. Now I will add our main heading. Alert heading is used for the alert heading and FW bold makes it bold. Here I am writing text order successful. Now let's add some order information. I'm using MB2. Add a little space below the paragraph. Your order strong tag has been confirmed. I will add one more small message. Text mutate makes the text softer and small makes the text smaller. Your order is ready for shipping. Let's add a divider before our button. Let's add button. BTN success gives it the success color. Rounded till makes the button rounded. And PX4 add horizontal padding. Save this file and see output. We just turned a basic Bootstrap alert into a useful order success notification. And we didn't write any custom CSS. We only used Bootstrap classes and customized the component for our project. And remember, you don't need to create every Bootstrap component from scratch. You can simply go the Bootstrap documentation, find the component you need, copy the basic code, and customize it according to your project. That's it for today's mini project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which Bootstrap mini project you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching this video.